Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you're new here, myself Vijay, your go-to expert for all your stuff related to project management. And today we are going to discuss top 5 project management tool for small team. So whether you're a small business or a startup, if you're looking for a team project management tool, then we are going to discuss this top 5 tool which can help you to streamline your workflow as well as boost your productivity. So let's get started. So on the top of the list is Trello. Trello is perfect for visual thinkers who love to organize tasks in terms of board, list, and cards. It's super intuitive and great for both small and large teams. You can customize your boards with labels, due dates, and checklists to keep everything on track. Plus, it's integrated seamlessly with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and trust me, once you start using Trello, you will wonder how you manage without it. The next one is Asana. Asana is powerhouse when it's come to project management. It helps you to plan, organize, and track your team's work at one shared space. With features like task dependency, project timeline, and workload management, Asana ensures nothing falls through the crack. It's perfect for the team that loves structures and detail. Third one on the list is Monday.com, the tool which is highly versatile and customizable. Whether you are managing a project, tracking a marketing campaign, or handling customer relationship, Monday.com adapts to your need. With its vibrant interface and automation feature, you will save time and keep your team aligned. The fourth one is ClickUp. ClickUp is kind of all-in-one tool which offers a lot of flexibility. You can switch between different views like list, board, and calendar to manage your tasks the way you prefer. It also comes with time tracking, goal setting, and document collaboration feature. ClickUp is perfect for small teams looking to maximize their productivity. The last but not least, Notion. Notion is more than just a project management tool. It's a workplace where your team can write, plan, and get organized. From project tracking to note tracking and database management, Notion does it all. Its flexibility allows you to create a system that works best for your team. Plus, it's great for both structured project and creative brainstorming session. So, there you have it, the top 5 project management tool for small teams in 2024. Let me know below in a comment which tool you are excited to use. Thanks for watching this video, and as always, keep pushing forward. And don't worry, we are here to help you out at every stage of your project management journey. Feel free to comment below and we will love to help you out. Until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and let's achieve your project management success together. Bye for now.